人生专栏会出来乐规划，就台湾
中文吗？
对，
繁体。
对。
这是什么东西？
这个规划。
我在那设计一个芭蕾舞教室，随便搞了2下。
你们这个之后还可以把那个什么元宇宙啊什么这些给概念放进去。
放了呀，没有人看。放是放，
要不要再高一点？
没有人看。
要不要给你再垫高一点？
拿那个书过来。
对，再垫1本，垫2本，垫1本够了。
这种都不看的书被你们拿来当也不错，也是有一定的用处。
放在那边也是放着。
哦，
要不你这壳要不要套着？这样不影响，因为这样子放着套着不影响。够吗？1本够吗？
就这么把老板出卖了，都不看的书。
资本家如果可以过得好也不错。
是啊，我觉得这个产品是最有利润的产品。台湾是说卖的很好，
他一个号好像可以卖可能
大概卖几万块，
然
后它有配套，
利润可能500-600美金。
它那个利润很高，因为它有配一些其他东西配套进去。
对，那你们慢慢也可以。
它这个变成镜像的，镜像的
是吗？
对。
已经在播了吗？
还没开始播。
这不是已经开始了吗？开始了呀。
哦，你已经开始了。
那我怎么看？
可以关注他 YouTube 号。
我已经关注了，只是没有。
他有。
有。
你点进来，对，你就可以看见。
很快啊。
很快啊。
现在只有一个观众，估计就是你了。
我也进去了。
现在只有一个观众，估计就是
我在外面看。
但是不是全部的屏幕。
没有关系。他那边是不是有延迟啊？
有1到2秒。
哇，这么美的吗？
怎么办？我就光顾着看屏幕里的字迹。OK， 开始。Hello everyone, welcome to my live streaming room. So I'm Lucia. So today I'm going to introduce you our app, Joy Plan. It's a multiple function interior design app. So if you want to know more about our app and if you want to know how to do it with your interior design, please follow us or share our YouTube live streaming link to the group. OK， 账号多少钱？等一下，这个是我们的赔。对不起，打扰了。我们是多少钱啊？
是我
忘记了。
我是想看一下实时有多实时。
你先不管他，你播
是吗？
你播你。
我播我的。OK， 我被你影响到了。OK。Sorry. Hey. So today Lucia is going to demonstrate how to use Joy Plan. A multiple function app can be used for measuring and design negotiation of orders. So if you feel interested in our video or our app, please keep in our room and please follow our accounts and share the links to your friends or any social media you have. And also and you can also follow our Instagram, and we all have TikTok account. Just search Joy Plan, okay? So about Joy Plan is a very multiple functional app. So how functional it is, I will explain it to you. So First of all, I've noticed that every interior designers or interior design students always bring a lot of stuff with you guys when you go to the house and measuring for your plan floor. And I know it's a lot of work and also a lot of burden to take so many things with you, right? But with Joy Plan, it's such a release because the only thing you need, just one device. Phone or your tablets or your like Mac Pro or any like light computer you have. It is very convenient. Okay, so okay, welcome C11 to our live streaming room. And if you feel interested in our content, please follow our account and share our live stream link to your social media platform. Okay, thank you. So about Joy Plan, we can really achieve the goal of one software and 3 solutions. So if you want to see or know more about Joy Plan, please follow our account and share our YouTube link. Okay, if is there any like if you have any questions, please leave in the comment box, which is at the right lower comment box. Okay. And we're going to show you immediately. So about Joy Plan, we can also do the furnish, custom design, and quick styling, etc. And by using the phone and your iPad or your computer, like these 3 kinds of devices are all like accessible, and you can also access phone or your computer at the same time, or iPad or your computer at the same time. So it's really helpful for an interior designer or like anybody who's working in interior design this industry, like real estate or renovation company or construction company. Why I mentioned about construction company, because I've noticed that a lot of you guys like need to like measuring with the measuring tape and like recording all the numbers, and it's such a burden. Sometimes the data like wasn't match, so you have to redo it again and draw the pictures. Like it's hard to understand, and with Joy Plan it solves all these problems, so you won't like need to worry about the data or the sketching. Is it messy or not? So if you have anything you want Lucia to show you at the live stream, please leave the comments in the comment box, so I will do it later. Okay. So about this app, it's not just efficient for anyone who can use it. It is also very easy, because for me, I'm not working in this industry, but it took me like few hours to learn it, and I think I'm a fast learner. But with people who work in this area, in this industry, I think it will be easier, way faster than me, for you guys to learn it. And this, like, I don't want to explain how easy it is. I will just demonstrate it. Okay. So again, if you feel interested in our live stream, please follow our accounts and share a link to every social media platform you have. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the app. So I'm gonna use my iPad. Okay. So this is when you turn on Joy Plan. This will be the 2 things. There will be 2 sections that showed you. The first section is plan list, and the next one is toolbox. And for the plan list, this basically has everything. But let's check the toolbox first, okay? So the toolbox has the snapshot, which means it can do photographs and pictures and measurements and etc. And also we have 720 panorama, and which means it's 10K HD, fully automatic for shooting. And also we can do the material scan, sorry. So quickly import scanned materials and process them seamlessly. And why do we have this? It's because we also, let me show you. Okay, let's use this as an example. We also has the furnishing part. So it is really, really useful. I don't like, okay, you will see how functional it is when I show you all, okay? So now let's create a new plan floor. Okay, so you see here are 3 sections, right? Draw, which means you can draw your own sketch. And also, if you have the plan floor, then all you need like the picture of the plan floor, then you can just take a picture of it. Yeah, you see there are a lot of examples, and you can also update the examples, or you can just copy. Like here, I have this already. So I can just like zoom in. It's 900 mm. So I can like, here is 900 mm. So I can just put it in, then confirm. So I can start to draw it. It's really, really easy. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to draw a sketch with Joy Plan. So you can see this little cursor here, right? So all you need to do, just draw, and there are 2 little like idols here, and it shows you that you have to pick the interior wall. For example, if your interior wall is this side, you click this guy, or if it's this side, you click this. Okay, so it's really easy, and if you make any mistake, just touch the undo button. Okay. Or if you don't want a cursor to be in the middle, in the central, then you can double click the cursor here, right here. So it will go back, and now you just drag it to wherever you want. Okay, let's settle it here. Okay, then Kira, do we have the measuring machine? The one that can measure? Where is it? Okay, so let's draw a wall first. Yeah. Okay, so we can see, and I want this one to be our interior wall. So, and it's 3950. No, my wall is shorter than this, and I can click the number and edit it. Let's make it 3000. Okay. And then we can follow the directions to keep going up, or just keep going or going down. Okay, I want to go up to 2480. I want it to be 2450. Okay, and then go, and you see this close here. If it's a square, like if it's a rectangle or square, you can just click close. Here it is, room 1. Yeah. Okay, so this is all for drawing. And then maybe some of you will ask, what if the line is tilted? Then it can't be tilted? No, the app think ahead of you. So let's click here. And you can see there's a diagonal line drawn. Then we can draw it like this. Then you can have a tilted wall. And still the same, like the wall length can be added. For example, let's make it 3500. And here we can change the wall thickness. Let's make it 150. And also the attributes. Let's make it shear wall. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, then we can just draw another line. And we can design the angle. For example, if the angle is not 46, we can put like 70. Here it is. It's your tilted wall. We can have a little triangle room, right? Isn't it cool? I feel this is really cool. And also you can change the thickness of the wall by double click. Okay. by double click, then you have you are able to change the wall thickness. Let's change it to 150 and wall thickness 150. Okay. You see, it is really simple, but normally we won't have this kind of situation, right? So I suggest you, if you don't have this kind of situation, just turn it off because it will be easier for you. Otherwise, you need to change the angle every time. But normally, like house is just like square size, right? So we can do it like this. Okay. So let's draw a new one real quick. See, I can just touch close, right? So here it is. And look at here how amazing it is. Like it shows you the height and also like how big the room is. It's like 33 square meters. Yeah. And like this is the first room, right? And we can assemble the rooms together, which is very fun. Like for me, it's just like a game. So I think it's really interesting. Like, okay, let's draw another room. Okay, close. And then look at here. I can click move. So I can actually assemble these two rooms together. Look how amazing it is. And also, if it is not the way you want it, you can change it, change the direction, and then just move. That, like, you see that? Like, when you get closer, like, the two rooms actually get attached. See? It's like a magnet, then they attach together. Yeah. It's so amazing, right? Okay, so these are how do you like draw a sketch. So this is the simple way. So you probably will ask, like, I know some of you guys probably like learn Oh, thank you. Yeah, I really hope you can understand. So, if you have anything you want to see or want to know about more, please leave comments at the comment box. Thank Nick Mo. And so now I know that many of you guys like already have been using like different apps. So I'm not like home decor or like planner 5D, and I've used them. I've tried to use them, but it's not that simple, and every step they like charge for money. So now I'm going to show you like how easy it is for us to use our Joy Plan to add accessories. Okay, so here you see we can add door. See? And the door, you see the numbers here, right? You can like attach the number, then change. Like change the door's position. For example, I want it to be like far away from that, so let's make it 3,000. Okay, and we can see like the door here is 900, right? I think it's not like wide enough. I like a big door. I want to make it 1200. So you see it's really simple, right? And look at here. So we can see like here is a door. Like we can also do it in a 3D way, and then you can see the door, like how the door actually look in the wall, right? Then you can add it, and look. Okay, so the width is according the wall, so you don't have to change it. And the height, I want it to be a taller one. Okay. And now you see here. See, we can even change the door. If you don't like this color or this kind of material, you can change. And look at here, there's an option for you to update your own door. Sorry, there's something wrong with My iPad is too old. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to change the door. It's pretty easy. Like first you just select the one you like. We have plenty of them. Like look at them. So many choice. And you can have also click here. You can have single door, double door, sliding doors, some other, and door, and pass, and shutter doors, and arched door. And that's pick. I don't know. I'm kind of interested to this some other. Oh, got it. But it's kind of like not that kinds of door will be in the rooms, right? So that's just click single door. How about this one? Okay, this one. I like this one. Dope. And so for here, you can change the door. The middle one is for change. Yeah. And the right one, the right icon here, let's click. What's this? Is all the materials. See, you can see there's timber, stone coating, cloth, leather. Okay, of course there's no leather for the door, but it's just all the materials we have here, right? So let's change the color first. I want a darker, yeah. And for the metal, I want a shiny one. Let's make it a shiny one. Okay, see? You can see immediately like how it changed, right? So like with an app like this, like if I'm a designer, I would never have to worry about how my client think, because if she's not satisfied, I would just show her the app, then she can change whatever she likes, and she can see like why my ideas turns out like this, because I've been doing the color match, right? See, so it has to be a little bit light. Okay, guys, I think I prefer this one. Yeah, this one. It's more elegant. Okay, let's go back. So this is for how to add a door. And you can see if the door opening is not the way you want it, you can click here. There's a mirror section. So you can change. Like you can even change how the door, like how the opening door goes. It's so amazing. Like every time I use it, I just get impressed by this app. Like again and again. Like that's how incredible it is. And also now, okay, so this is the first way that for you to add it accessory. So now let's click in the room. You can see for here you can change the mode. This is 2D mode, 3D mode, and also roaming mode. I think you guys might heard like 2D or 3D, but you guys won't know what is roaming mode. Let me show you. For roaming mode is, you see the little foot here, like I can walk wherever I want. And I can even like change the angle. Like I heard from the designer of this app, 1 meter to 1.2 is the best height. And I can change the angle. Let's change it to a higher. See? So my side will be like wider. Okay, I can walk around. This is actually feels like a game, like the little game that I used to play on the computer. But it's funnier. Yeah. Okay. Now let's keep going. Okay, now you see the little icon here. You click it. See, the door is open. You can even open the door at the interior design app. How amazing it is. Okay, let's walk around. See which side of door, like which side of wall you want to add a window. Okay, so look. So you can control by you can control this icon, or you can just select the plan floor and then change where you are. Okay, now let's face here. Okay, I want to add the. Okay. I want to add the window at this wall. Okay. Let's add an accessory. Let's add the. Oh, for here, like we can not just not just add the door. We can also add window and beam tube, electrical, waterway, landmark wall and stairs, and other and remark. You can check every one of them. And now we're going to add the window. Like what kinds of window that we want for today? How about this one? The first one is always the best one. Okay, let's put it here. And also, I want a big window. Okay, but let's see how it looks at the actual uh, mode. Yeah, that makes it more clear, right? Okay, I want the wider one. Let's make it 3000. Yeah, and the width is 200 according to the wall, right? If you change it, it will automatically change the wall's thickness. For example, if I change it to 150, then you will find out that the wall also changed. Like the how thick the wall is also changed. So if you want to change the how thick the window is, it will automatically change the wall too. Okay, now let's click game. Okay, so see if I see it vividly, it will help me to make a better decision. Okay, this is okay. It's all the pencil's fault. Yeah, it's not that smart. Okay. Now let's change the height. That's I always like a big white window. Let's change it to 2000. Okay, you see 2000 is a little bit too over, right? So how can we change that? Remember, we can change the size. Yeah. By margin number 1. See, we can change here. So it's a little bit too over. We can change it to 800. Oh, still a little bit. Then let's change to 750. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, the wall is like the window is also changeable. See, I can change it to this kind of window. This kind of window. Sorry for my slow internet. Yeah. And also this kind of. Let's see, is there any other options? Okay, I want this one. Oh no, doesn't look good. Okay, how about this one? Yeah. And let's change the material. First, you see, okay, I think I prefer dark color. And also like how the glass is. Let's change it to okay, this kind of. In the metal. Okay. So that color actually matches to the door, right? Okay. Now, oh, see, I accidentally moved it. It's okay. Let's put it back. Okay. So you see, like we've added the doors and the windows, right? So is that everything? Is that everything? Of course it's not. We are a functional app. Remember, I've mentioned it so many times. So let's see how functional it is. But first, I want to show you something. So let's check at the 3D mode, right? We can see the whole house. I know a lot of other interior design app, they have the same function. But I'm going to show you one thing that the other apps, they don't have it. See, you can see how it looks in the day, like how sunlight goes in the day. You see? And you can't stop it at this time. For example, I want to see how my rooms look like at let's say 1 p.m. See, that's how how sunlight looks in my room at 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. Or that morning 8 a.m. or 4 p.m. Okay, so how amazing it is. It's so dope. Like, that's why I praise this app every time I use it. Okay, so about how functional it is, let's see more about this app. Welcome WOHCDF come to our room. Okay, so here at the lower left button here, there's a little icon. Here has 3 options: mapping, hard load, which is for finish. Hard load is also means interior finish, and there is a soft operation means furnishing. And let's click it. So now what's the difference? It's still the same. No, it's not. Click the right lower corner. You can see we have so many choices here. Ground, we get wood ground, like finished wood flooring, solid wood flooring. We have so many options for just wood floor. And then we have stone. See, cultural stone, so many options. Marble, so many options. And quartz, so many options. And mosaic, so many options, right? Okay, I'm not gonna show you more. Like, look at here. There's so many options. You can change it whatever you like. I think it basically has everything that's on the market. And also, if you don't like them, you can update your own favorite and save it as mine, okay? But here I will use the public to show you as an example. Okay, so here, so let's select the area first. Let's select this room. So here at the right upper corner, there are like ceiling editing and ground editing. So I'm going to show you how to do the ceiling editing first. Look at here. So we select this area. Now we're gonna model this area. So you can see we have 3 cursors here, different shapes. One is straight line, circular, and square. Okay, I will show you in like how to do it with 3 cursors. And I can use this one. I'll just drag it. And if I want the ceiling to be divided, I can do it like this. See, and also select it, then you can delete it. Okay, or you can also select the area, clear, so you will clear everything you added there. Okay, or I want the wrong ceiling. Okay, it's a little bit big because apparently, okay, it is 2 over, right? Then we can change the numbers here. Let's change to, okay, here. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's change it to 500. Okay, so see, we have a circle here. And also you can change the middle number. Okay, now click confirm. If you don't like it, just like I said, select the area, clear. Okay, let's try the square one. Okay. See, the numbers are all addable as long as you select them. It's so easy. How easy it could be. confirm, or you can like undo it or clear it. Clear everything. So now I wanted to I wanted to do 2 ceilings, but also it's another option for you to just select one of the ceiling from the material, from what kinds of material that we provide. Okay, so first let's divide it into 2 parts. Okay, so I will select this part. Okay. Draw a line here. Offset. Wait a second. Okay. Confirm it. Okay, now select offset. Let's make it 300. Sure. And so you can see like there's an area here, right? So you select the outside area and you can do modeling. 300. Okay. Now let's go back and see what happened to the ceiling. So we're here, right? Look at here, you got your brand new ceiling. Okay, let's keep like why I click back, because I want to show you something amazing. We can add the light slot. Okay, I added in the wrong way, but it's okay. See, so it was shiny. So you have to click the inner square, so like it could be added in the way, like in the place you want it. And also you can add the lights. See the little lights, and also you can like change how many lights you have by like changing the space. If you want more lights, like make the space smaller. If you want like less lights, you can just make them bigger, like the space bigger, so the lights will be less. Okay, so let's see the whole but go back to here. You can only see the slot, right? Where's the lights? Let me tell you, where can you find the lights? Because the lights belongs to furnishing, so you have to change it to furnishing mode. Okay, now let's go to the roaming mode and check it again. Look, here you are, all the lights. Okay, so here is the other part of the ceiling, right? We didn't add it yet. Okay, let's change to interior finish. Okay, here we are. And for this one, I don't want to design it. I just want to like choose one and choose one from our material. Here. Ceiling surface. Okay. I want this one. Drag it to the area. Okay, you can see like. Also, all the numbers are addable, you see? And also I can change it to different ceiling. Also change the material. Okay, now let's go to the... Oh, I added in the wrong room, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. Because that happens to a non-interior designer. But I think it won't happen to you guys. Now look at here. It's so amazing, right? And you can also add the slot here. So this is for the ceiling part. As you can see, like there are many choice, right? It is really amazing. And for presenting you the ceiling part, I think here it is. And if you want to see more, please share our link and please follow our like official account so you won't miss any of our live streaming. Okay? Yeah. And if you have any interest or any question, please feel free to leave the comments at the comment box, okay? And now I'm going to do the ground. Okay, select the ground. Always select the area that you want to add it, okay? The model. You can also divide it in areas, okay? So it's just like the ceiling. And you can then patch. What kinds of floor that I want? Wooden one. Okay, that's choose a solid wood flooring. How about this one? Okay, I think. Okay, we should go to this mode. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see how it looks. Look how amazing it is. Yeah. And you can also see it with no wall. Okay. I want to add in more. I really like this solid wood flooring. So that's let's put it here. Let's make it all look like this. I like it all to be the same. Okay. So it's all done. The flooring is all done so quick. And if you want to like add something fancy, okay, let me show you how. Okay. Let's add the line. This is for the top surface. Let's add the line here. Let's pick this. Okay, now look here. If you go closer, you will see how it looks. Okay, I think we should change the height because it's too. Change the angle. Yeah, then you will see like it's all added up. How quick it is. It only took me like 1 minute to add this thing. And you can also add it in other rooms. Okay. So these are for the ground. Okay, still, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments at the comment box. And if you want to know where you can download our app, you also can ask, okay? And also, please follow our official account or share our live streaming link to your social media. Thank you. And now let's keep going. So these are all about the floor, right? And then we can add something on the wall. I want to patch the wall. And as you can see, we also has a lot of choice here, a lot of options, right? We can add stone wall, coating wall, or wall covering, or wall panel, or ceramic tile, or wallpaper. I prefer wallpaper. Let's pick a okay, dark green. Okay, see? So one wall is done. But what if I want to apply this wall to all the rooms? Then I just select the wall that I just patched and click here, all application. Then you can choose to apply the whole space, which means only this room. Or you can apply to the whole family, which means the whole house. Okay, let's apply it to the whole house. And let's see how quick it is. I'm not lying. You guys have eyes. You can see by yourself, right? Only 1 second. Ta-da! The wall is done, right? So amazing. And now let's keep going. So as you can see, like how easy it could be to add the wall and the ground and the ceiling, and we even have options for you. You don't even need to design it, right? If your customer is not picky at all, you can just use our material. It's so easy. Like, it's really not a lie to finish your interior design by like 10 minutes by using our app. It's so easy. Everyone can achieve that goal. Okay. So this is all for the interior finish. Now we can see the furnishing here. We also have a lot of options. Okay, let's see how many options do we have. Look, furniture and kitchen, the whole devices for the kitchen, and you have different type. Look at here, L-type cabinet, U-shape cabinet, and kitchen cabinet, and single door cabinet. So many options. I don't want to even want to like read it one by one for you guys, because it's not gonna be enough time for me to like introduce every single one of them, because it's a lot. And also I have to mention about it, I only have 13 minutes left, so I will leave the room. So if you wanted to like know this app more, please feel free to contact us, and I'll give you an trial account to use it for free for 7 days. Okay, if you have any interest, please don't feel hesitate to leave comments at the comment box. Our staff will just contact you and give you a free trial. And this is just for the people who watch it through our live streaming. Okay, so if you really interested about like have interest about this, please don't feel hesitate to like contact us. We will give you a free trial account for 7 days. Okay, so you can know this app better, because I'm not a designer, and as you can see, like I don't have good taste on designing, but I trust every one of you have it. So if you want to do it better with yourself and you want to explore this app, or even if you want a training for doing this app, please feel free to contact us, because I literally just have 12 minutes away till I leave. Okay, so probably I won't even have that much time to introduce you all. So feel free to leave any comments if you have questions. Okay, now as you can see, like there are so many options here, right? So I'm not gonna demonstrate all of it, and I'm just going to show you an example. Okay, now here is one example from one of our designer in China, and let's see how Chinese buildings like. Okay, I'm sure that some of you guys might be interested in this, and let's click in the furnishing. Then you can see it's loading, and it's a house, and so you can see 1 floor and 2 floors. We can add 2 floors by floors. That's all the other apps that don't have it. Trust me, I've used them all. They don't have this function. They can only like design for platform, like apartment, like or only 1 plain floor, but we can achieve 2 floors. How amazing it is! So If you have any interest, please contact us, okay? We will give you a free trial if you contact us through our live streaming, okay? So now let's see, from the 2D mode, it's really hard to see what the house actually look like. So we can change it to the 3D mode. See? We can see the whole house. And here we can even see the ceilings. That's also the other apps that don't have it. They cannot see the ceilings. They can only see the rooms. And also, if you want to see the whole version, like by side, you can click no wall, so you can see it through no wall. How amazing it is. Look at this. Okay, you want your wall back? Just click your wall back. And also, if you want to see the whole house, how does the sunlight look in the whole house? Look at here. Okay, let's click. Okay, let's click no wall and see more clear. Look how amazing it is. It is analyzing how sunlight goes in a day in your house. How amazing it is. I just got impressed by this app every day. Every single day that I open this app. Like, yeah, it is just amazing. Yeah. Now let's keep going. Okay. So I want to introduce you more about this, the furnishing part. Okay, so let's click to the roaming mode. It's a big house, so you might get lost in the rooms, right? So click here and let's switch to here. And it's the first floor. If you want to see the second floor, just click the second floor. Look how easy it is. Okay. Let's go check. Open the door. Yeah. Thank you. Look, it's like an office. And as we can see, there's a couch. So I don't really like this couch. Let's see, can we change it? So see, here is a control. I can change. Look here. There's a remote here. You can change where or how the couch looks in the house, where the position it is. Or you can just change it. Okay, I don't like this. I want it to be deleted. Okay, I want to put a new couch here. Let's click sofa. And I want the... See, there's just so many options. Oh, single sofa here. I like elegant one. That's put here. So you see it's stuck in the wall, and use the control. Exit. Okay, where's that? Oh. Okay, that's that one. Elegant one. Okay, it's stuck in the wall. Let's help it. Get out. Let's help it to get out. It's getting out. Yeah, great. It's our mission to save the couch. Or you can just change the numbers here. It's easy. Oh. Okay. I'm just not good at directions. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, here we are. And can we change the material? Let's see. I think there's a function that we can also change the material. How can we do that? I see. I think it's changeable. Here. And change a color. Oh no, it's just summon. Okay. Okay, I will tell you next time because I didn't figure it out. There's so functions here. So many functions, and it confused me sometimes. See, it's all added here, like all of them. You can also add all these furnitures by yourself. About all of this, the pictures and the teacups, everything, and also the lights, the chandelier, right? So, like I said, if you have any interest to know how to use this app, please don't feel hesitate to contact us, right? Because what we have today is really a good deal. You can try this app for free because as I know, like Planner 5D, they charge a lot of things. Like every single step, they charge for something. Even if it doesn't look a lot, but if you like purchase them all, it's a lot of money. And now you have a chance to have this amazing app that has other apps don't like the functions that other apps don't have for 7 days for free, totally free. So if you have any interest, just like I said, please don't feel hesitate to leave the comments at the comment box. And you also where to find us. You can follow our YouTube account, which is just at the right upper corner, or you can share our link to your social media, or you can follow our Instagram. It's Joy Plan, or anything with Joy Plan Yitai, Yidai. You can follow us, and we also have TikTok accounts. So just search Joy Plan on your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, or YouTube. Keep following us, and if you have any interest to use our app for free, please come to our live streaming room, and we can provide a free account for 7 days. It's really amazing app. I want you all to like use it and like get to know it and knows how amazing it is. So please don't feel hesitate to contact us. Please follow us, and thank you for watching my live streaming. And we will do the live streaming every day. So if it will be better if you just follow our YouTube account, so it will have the little notification for you to follow our live streaming. It's okay if you don't want to like buy it today or use the free account today. It's okay. It's totally okay as long as like you keep watching us and know it better, because all we wanted just I just want to bring this amazing app to everyone. Like, you deserve it. And also, next time, probably we will introduce this too, because there's one function I didn't introduce you today is the measuring machine. How do you use this measuring machine to match the app? So you don't need to use the measuring tape anymore. It is so easy and very convenient for you guys. So if you want to see how do I demonstrate with this measuring machine, please follow our YouTube account and share our live streaming link to every social media platform you have, okay? And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
网速怎样？
牛逼。
可以吗